Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to another video from my Excel series, Beginner to Pro. And within this video, we are going to focus on navigation within Excel. And to get started, we are going to move around our cell using the arrow keys, right? Left, up, down. You see that? Right, left, up, down. I'm just moving around with the arrow keys. But you can also move around using tabs and enter, and it's pretty efficient. Look at that, see? It's pretty efficient moving around with tab and enter. You can also adjust the size of your cell by clicking on the cell and going up here and just adjust the size depending on what you want to do with your data and also the width of your information, basically. And remember I showed you earlier how to select cells, right? Just click on the cell and drag. And to insert a cell, either a column or a row, you can just click on a cell, go and insert and enter a column, or you can insert an entire row. Okay, watch this. I cannot enter a row here because it's a table, right? This information here is a table, which makes it unable for me to enter a row. That's it guys for today's episode. I will see you again next time.